Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming hardware and placing devices close to the router. Plug the Wi-Fi adapter or HDMI streaming dongle into the TV. If using Ethernet, connect cable to the TV and router. Once done, power on the TV and the adapter or dongle. Make sure the TV input matches the port you used. You do this now so the TV can detect the network interface. Without the adapter or cable physically connected, no further configuration will appear in the menus. Now you'll pair the TV's network interface to your router. Open the adapter or dongle settings on screen, scan for your router SSID, and select it. When prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password. You can speed this up by typing on your phone and sending it to the dongle if supported. If your adapter supports WPS, press the router's WPS button within 2 minutes to auto-pair. Make sure to wait for the confirmation message. This verifies the adapter received an IP address from the router. Finish by testing a streaming app or the TV's network diagnostics to confirm internet access. If streaming starts, apply any firmware updates for the adapter or TV right away to improve stability. Secure your network by using WPA2/WPA3 on the router and a strong password. If things go wrong, reboot the router, adapter, and TV in that order and try again. This clears DHCP and handshake issues and resolves most connection failures quickly. So try that before advanced troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.